Good morning. Here's your update this morning on post-tropical storm Arthur. This will be the last update on tropical storm Arthur.
Arthur becomes post-tropical. This is the last advisory. There are no coastal watches or warnings in effect. At 11 a.m. EDT, the center of now post-tropical storm Arthur was located about 400 miles, 645 kilometers east-northeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. It's moving toward the east near 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour, and Arthur is expected to gradually turn southward and slow down over the next day or so. Maximum sustained winds are near 60 miles per hour, 95 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 160 miles, 260 kilometers, from the center. Some gradual weakening is forecast to occur beginning tonight and continuing through Wednesday. Swells generated by Arthur are expected to affect portions of the mid-Atlantic and southeast U.S. coasts during the next day or two. These swells could cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. Please consult products from your local weather office. www.weather.gov. This is the last public advisory issued by the National Hurricane Center on this system. Additional information on this system can be found in high seas forecasts issued by the National Weather Service at http://ocean.weather.gov/shtml/nfdhsfat1.php.
This will be the last advisory on post-tropical storm Arthur. I will bring you more updates of more tropical storms before June 1st if needed or warranted by the National Hurricane Center. I will continue this regularly on June 1st, 2020. Have a good day.